verb agreement دەبێت هەمیشە بکەر و کردار هاوشێوە بن لە ڕووی تاک و کۆوە واتە دەبێت بکەر و فرمان هەردووکیان یان تاک بن یان کۆ بن کاتێک بکەر و فرمان دەستەواژەیەک یان ڕستەیەک دەکەوێتە نێوانیان دەبێت لەم حاڵەتەشدا بکەر و فرمان هاوشێوە بن واتە ئەگەر بکەرەکە تاک بوو دەبێت فرمانەکەش هەر تاک بێت و بە پێچەوانەشەوە فەرموون ئێستاش گوێ لەم دیالۆگەی نێوان لوسیا و کاڤەی بگرن.
This is Everyday Grammar. I'm Lucia.
And I'm Kaveh. Subjects and verbs must always agree with each other in number, correct?
That's right.
There are no exceptions, not even one?
Well, it would sound weird, wouldn't it? The woman work at my favorite restaurant? That's just wrong.
Yeah, but what if the subject and verb are separated by an entire phrase?
I see your point, but let's review the basics first. Subject-verb agreement is when the subject and verb in a sentence must agree in number, meaning that both must be singular or both must be plural.
Didn't we cover this already?
Yes, we did, but you were wondering what happens if the subject and verb are separated by a phrase.
Yes, or a clause. Do the subject and verb still match in those cases?
The short answer is yes. The verb always agrees with the subject, not with the noun or pronoun in the phrase or clause.
I have a feeling many people make these mistakes.
They do. So let's go over some examples. The correct answer is A. One of the doors is open. The correct answer is B. The player with the most correct answers wins. The correct answer is A. The books that are on the table are mine. The correct answer is A. The dog that has floppy ears is the cutest.